friends, my name is Ishika and today I am going to make a pocket notebook. So before starting, I request you to please subscribe and like our channel. So let's start. So the things we need are one stapler, a scissors, a pencil, some sketch pens. So let's start. Now we'll take a sheet of paper. Now I'm going to fold the paper. Step 1, you have to fold like this. Fold it properly, then the shape will come nice. Like this. Step 2, like this. And step 3, like this. Fold it properly. So now you can draw your favorite picture on it. So I'm going to draw. Okay, now let's cut it. Do you like this? Cut it like this. Now I already cut it. Now let's staple it. Take like this. Stapler from here. Now I already stapled it. Now the last part comes is the coloring. Now let's color it. Now let's take green color first. Like this. Now let's take yellow color. Color it properly, okay? Now I'm going to draw lines on it. I'll show you how to do. First, like this. Like this. And it's ready. Now I'm going to draw a face on it with black sketch. Like this. Now it's ready. Now you can write notes in it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like our channel.